This is second lecture on sources. In this lecture, we are going to study about subsurface sources. In previous lecture, we had studied about surface sources. Now, in this lecture, we are going to study about subsurface sources. The water that has percolated into the ground is brought on the surface, then such types of source is known as subsurface source. Subsurface source is also called as underground water source. Consider this is the ground level, GL, ground level, or sometimes called as earth surface. Below earth there are number of aquifers, means storage of water in underground. This water we can tap up to ground ground or top surface of earth by providing or constructing wells, bore wells. These are the examples: wells, bore wells, artesian wells, deep wells. These are the examples of subsurface sources. Now, in subsurface sources, water get percolated through top of earth into the ground, and percolated water join the aquifer or water table, then increase in water table or quantity of water in aquifer, and that collected or accumulated or stored water in aquifer below the ground or in water table we can brought on the earth's surface by using various means different ways, by borewell, tube wells, and artificial wells. Now we are going to study about subsurface sources of water. Subsurface sources of water is also called as underground water source. Subsurface source of water divided into four categories. First category is infiltration galleries. Second, springs. Springs also divided into three parts: artesian springs, gravity springs, surface spring, and third point is infiltration wells, and last one wells. But wells also divided into four category or four subtypes. First subtype is shallow wells, second deep wells, third tube wells, fourth artesian wells. In now here is mistake of spelling: artesian, ARTESIAN. This is the correct spelling of artesian. By printing mistake I written here artesian, but this spelling is incorrect. I have written this spelling again here. See this, refer this spelling, artesian spelling. Now first point is wells. Water well is an excavation or structure created in ground by digging, driving, boring, or drilling to access groundwater in underground aquifer. Now suppose consider this is ground level, means earth surface, earth top surface, and this is the aquifer below the ground. Aquifer means storage of water, stored water in ground, or sometimes called as water table below the ground. We have to bring that water up to earth surface by providing wells. If aquifer or stored water available at shorter depth or considerable depth, then by constructing wells, that water we can tap, we can brought on earth surface by providing wells. Why we provided wells here? Because depth of water table at shallow depth, due to this we constructing wells there. We cannot construct bore well at particular place. Why not constructing bore wells? Because water is available at short depth from earth surface, earth top surface. So this is the simple way to brought water by providing wells. Now next point, tube wells. Now in this category, when water available, groundwater available at greater depth, in well condition water was available at short depth. Due to this, at that place we constructed wells. And in this category we constructed bore wells. Why we constructing bore wells here? Because water depth or aquifer available at greater depth from earth surface, so we constructed here tube wells. Another explanation given in PPT: to obtain large discharge, tube wells, which is long pipe or tube, is bored drill deep into the ground, intercepting one or more water bearing stratum. The quantity of water available from tube well is of order of 200 liters per second to 220 liters per second. This is the rate of discharge we can obtain by using bore well. The depth of tube well ranges from 70 meter, 70 meter to 300 meter. But nowadays depth of borewell increasing up to 800 meter, 900 meter, because level of water or depth of water is deeper rather than previous era or older days. Because today or nowadays no focus on percolation of water into ground and increasing number of bore wells. Due to this, water depth increasing means this depth increasing from 300 meter to 900 meter, and maximum depth 900 meter, sometimes greater than this depth. So borewell constructed to obtain the water available at greater depth. Next point, infiltration gallery. Now consider in mountain region. Through mountain region river is passing, and this gallery constructed on the bank of river. Bank of river means edge of river. In Marathi we can call it as नदीचे काठ म्हणू शकतो. अशा कंडिशनमध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, त्या ठिकाणी जी काही इन्फिल्ट्रेशन गॅलरी आहे ते काय केलेलं आहे, त्या ठिकाणी प्रोव्हाइड केलेलं आहे. फॉर दिस water stratum soil should be required for construction of infiltration gallery. Means there should be existence of water in body of river or bank of river. Then at that place we can construct infiltration gallery, because that bank absorb water from river, and we can water from that bank by providing an infiltration gallery. Suppose I drawing the diagram here. This is the bank of river. Sometimes infiltration gallery called as horizontal tunnel, and pipe is connected or placed in between this gallery and river, and these pipes made of stoneware pipes, cast iron pipes with perforated holes. Now perforated holes means around the outer surface of pipes there are number of holes available, and along the pipeline there are aggregate placed over and below the pipes. When water percolate into soil, that percolated water into soil again percolate through aggregate, and through aggregate water pass through also percolate in pipes, and collected water through pipe conveyed to the infiltration gallery, and from infiltration gallery again water carried to sump well, and finally from sump well to water treatment plant. This is the way to carry the water. This was the infiltration gallery. Next point, artesian wells. Now in artesian wells water comes over the surface by pressure. Due to this called as artesian wells. In this category, this case generally occurred in mountainous region because well is constructed in between the mountains. So water table higher than this constructed wells. Due to this water comes in the wells under pressure, and also rise the water up to top of wells. This is the pressure wells. Last point is springs. Now springs in मराठी त्याला आपण झरा म्हणू शकतो. झरा. What are the different types of spring, or what is meant by spring? Now first point is definition of spring. Now spring is the formation of water through earth surface, and that water appeared at earth surface due to some reason. What are the reasons due to this water comes over the earth's surface or appears at the earth surface? Because excavation, overflow of table, cracks and fissures. These are the reasons due to this springs are formed. Now first subtype of spring is artesian spring. There are three types of spring: artesian spring, gravity spring, and third surface spring. These are the examples of spring. Now first point is artesian spring. Similar as artesian well, artesian spring. In this case, I drawing diagram here. This is the mountain region, and these are the cracks or features, and water table is in between two impervious layer. I written here I indicates impervious layer, and P pervious layer. In Marathi you can call it as impervious layer म्हणजे अछिद्र थर, आणि परवियस लेयर म्हणजे जिथं छिद्र आहे अशा थर. आता शक्यतो जे काही वॉटर आहे आपलं ते परवियस लेयरमध्ये, म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी छिद्र आहेत त्या ठिकाणी जाऊन स्टोअर होतं. आणि जेव्हा जे काही परवियस लेयर आहे, इम्परवियस लेयर आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये एखादा क्रॅक परवियस लेयरपासून अर्थ सरफेसपर्यंत कंटिन्यू क्रॅक असेल तर त्या केसमध्ये काय होतं, आर्टिशियन स्प्रिंग फॉर्म होतो. आलं का? त्या क्रॅक वाटे अँड वॉटर काय होतं आपलं ग्राउंडवरती ॲपेअर्स होतं, दिसतं. मग त्या स्प्रिंगला, त्या झऱ्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? ऑर्टिसियन स्प्रिंग. आणि जे काही वॉटर याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला बाहेर पडतं, ते उगम मिळतं त्या ठिकाणी, तर ते कसं असणार आहे? अंडर प्रेशर असणार आहे. आलं लक्षात? याच्यामध्ये जे काही आपलं हायड्रोलिक ग्रॅडियंट आहे, अबोव टॉप ऑफ ग्राउंड आहे. अबोव टॉप ऑफ ग्राउंड ह्या इथं डायग्राममध्ये तुम्हाला दाखवलेलं आहे. कारण जे काही आपण स्प्रिंग फॉर्म झालेलं आहे, बिलो हायड्रोलिक ग्रॅडियंट फॉर्म झालेलं आहे स्प्रिंग. आणि जे काही वॉटर टेबल आहे किंवा लँड आहे, त्या ठिकाणी इन्क्लाइन लँडचं कन्स्ट्रक्ट त्याचं जी काही टोपोग्राफी आहे त्या लँडची, ती कसं आहे? इन्क्लाइन आहे. आणि आपण डिप्रेशन फॉर्ममध्ये त्याचं जे काही क्रॅक आहे त्यावर आपल्या इथून वॉटर ॲपेअर्स होतं. मग अशा प्रकारचं जर स्प्रिंग त्या ठिकाणी फॉर्म झालेलं असेल तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? ऑर्टिसियन स्प्रिंग म्हणणार आहे. नेक्स्ट आहे तुमचं ग्रॅव्हिटी स्प्रिंग. आता ग्रॅव्हिटी जी काही स्प्रिंग आहे त्या केसमध्ये फक्त आपल्याला सांगायचे, जे काही स्प्रिंग फॉर्म झालेलं आहे ते कशामुळे झालेलं आहे? ओव्हरफ्लो ऑफ वॉटर टेबल. ओव्हरफ्लो ऑफ वॉटर टेबल. आता ही ओव्हरफ्लो ऑफ वॉटर टेबल कधी होणार आहे? जेव्हा रेनी सीझन असेल त्या केसमध्ये काय होईल? जे काही लँड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये वॉटर काय होईल? पर्क्युलेट होईल. त्या पर्क्युलेट आणखी एक मराठी शब्द कोणता आहे? सीपेज. मग जमिनीमध्ये जे काही वॉटर सीपेज झाल्यानंतर त्या वॉटर टेबलमध्ये काय होईल? जे काही वॉटर डेप्थ आहे सीपेज झाल्यामुळं, ते वॉटर डेप्थ काय होईल? इन्क्रीज होईल. आणि जर असंच कंटिन्युअस जर पाऊस पडत गेलं तर त्या ठिकाणी परत पर्क्युलेट होऊन जाईल आणि ते वॉटर काय होईल? ते पूर्ण वॉटर टेबल भरल्यानंतर ते वॉटर काय होईल? तुम्हाला अर्थ सरफेसवर तर जमिनीतून वॉटर पाणी यायला दिसून येईल. मग अशा एखादं जर स्प्रिंग असेल आणि त्या ठिकाणी ते जर ओव्हरफ्लोमुळं जर निर्माण झालेलं असेल, म्हणजे जे काही वॉटर टेबल आहे तो पूर्णपणे भरल्यामुळं तो जो काही त्या ठिकाणी स्प्रिंग फॉर्म होतो त्याला काय म्हणलं जातं? ग्रॅव्हिटी स्प्रिंग म्हणलं जातं. कारण हा ग्रॅव्हिटी स्प्रिंग कशामुळे फॉर्म झाला? तर तो ग्रॅव्हिटी स्प्रिंग आपलं ओव्हरफ्लो ऑफ वॉटर टेबल. आलं लक्षात? आणि तिथून जे काही ओव्हरफ्लो ऑफ वॉटर टेबल काय झालं तर त्या ठिकाणी मॅक्झिमम रेनफॉल ऑकवर्ड झालं होतं, मॅक्झिमम पाऊस पडला होता, त्याच्यामुळं मॅक्झिमम वॉटर लँडमध्ये पर्क्युलेट झालं होतं. त्यामुळं तुमचं काय होईल? जे काही वॉटर टेबल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये डेप्थ इन्क्रीज झाली अप टू अर्थ सरफेस अँड वॉटर कम्स ओव्हर द ग्राउंड बाय ग्रॅव्हिटी अँड ड्यू टू दिस फॉर्म्ड स्प्रिंग इज कॉल्ड ॲज gravity spring. Last point is surface spring. Now this spring is formed by obstruction, then such spring is called as surface spring. Now main reason to form this spring is obstruction. While digging, while excavation for foundation of any structure or excavation of soil at mountain region, there such types of spring is formed. Then such types of spring is called as surface spring. Main reason to form this spring is obstruction. Obstruction means excavation by any means, excavation for structure, excavation of mountain region. These are the reasons to form the surface spring. Now last point, infiltration wells. Infiltration wells are shallow wells constructed along the bank of river in order to collect river water. This is similar to horizontal tunnel or infiltration gallery. Now remaining portion of this chapter we will cover in next lecture. Thank you.